What is going on, guys? Today in this video, I'm going to tell you why I think the Sony A6000 is the best used mirrorless camera you can purchase in 2021 after this. Hey everybody, if you're new to my channel, my name is Nelson, and I do technology and photography-based tips, tricks, and tutorials. I've got lots of awesome content coming up in the future, so if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. So why in 2021 would I recommend the Sony A6000 that is now a 7-year-old camera? Well, according to KEH, the A6000 in 2020 was the #1 used selling camera, and that's between both DSLR and mirrorless cameras. So why are many people going so gaga over this camera that's been out for 7 years? Well, the answer is multifaceted. Number one, this is just an awesome camera. It still has amazing autofocus for both video and stills. It still has an electronic viewfinder. It still has a nice flip-out LCD screen. It is a little bit more of a plasticky build, but the camera is a little more lightweight. And with the correct lens combination, it is more of a pocketable camera, if you have a large pocket, that is. Of course, there are some shortcomings with the camera. For instance, there isn't a microphone out for monitoring your audio outputs. The 1080p video can overheat if you shoot for long periods of time. The EVF and the LCD screen aren't as nice as the newer cameras. And of course, with the newer cameras such as the A6100, A6400, A6600, you're going to have better autofocus. You're going to have 4K. You're going to have cameras that will record in 4K without overheating as easy. But the fact of the matter is, guys, this camera can be purchased used for between $250 and $350. And if you're somebody that's new to photography, or just somebody that's on a budget, or somebody that wants a secondary camera just to throw into a bag and you don't care if you drop it, this is an excellent buy. And the autofocus is still amazing for both stills and video, even though it doesn't have full sensor phase detect autofocus points like some of the new cameras do. And it doesn't have a touch screen, but let's be honest, Sony camera touch screens are garbage anyway, except for the latest models. So I'm not trying to sell you guys on anything. I just think the A6000 is an amazing camera, even in 2021. And I think you guys, if you're new to photography, would find this to be a very capable camera. And on top of that, you can adapt. If you have a whole bunch of vintage lenses with a $15 to $20 adapter that you can buy on Amazon, all of your old vintage lenses. And the cool thing is, you can use the focus assist features built into the camera, such as focus peaking, and easily use all of those old manual focus lenses. And it's awesome, guys. So enough of me talking about the camera. I recently took it out with the Sony 18 to 135, and I just got a couple of quick shots just to show you you can still get wonderful pictures with this 7-year-old camera. So I hope you enjoy the pictures, and I thank you guys for viewing my video. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing. And if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. So without further ado, here are those pictures.